Hi everyone, this is the heat transfer lab meant for the 6th semester students. Myself, Amin Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today we are going to conduct the experiment of the forced convection heat transfer. As you know that convection is the mode of heat transfer takes place due to the molecular momentum of the fluid. And here we are going to explain how the experiment should be conducted for take down the various readings. And here the main components are, there is a thermostat. You have to adjust the supply of the heat to the specimen. We are going to use the blower to circulate the air over the specimen surface by using the forced manner. At the same time, you have to note down the supply of heat by using the voltmeter reading as well as the ammeter reading. And here the temperature indicators, you can note down the temperature for the various T1, T2, T3, T4 like that, for the various temperatures from the inlet of the air of temperature as well as the outlet air of the temperature and surface temperature of the specimens. You can note down by rotating this knob. And here initially we have to switch on the operators and then you have to set the heater coil around 100. Afterwards you have to switch on the blowers. As you switch on the blowers, the air will be circulated over the specimen through the U-shaped tube and you are going to supply the heat here. Afterwards you have to note down the readings of the surface temperature T1, T2, T3, T4 and T5. At the temperatures, after some time it will be come to the steady state. The repeated reading will be come to the same values. In that condition, the experimental setup is on the steady state condition. At that time you have to note down all the readings and you have to do the calculations by using the equations. Q is equal to HA delta T, that is the conductivity transfer equations, and Q is the amount of heat supplied to the specimen by using the voltmeter and the ammeter reading. Q is equal to V into I, that will give the supply of the heat, and H is the heat transfer coefficient, that one you have to find out here, and A is the surface area of the specimen. Here the specimen is there, on that surface we are going to use the various thermocouples. There is nothing but the pi dl that will give the surface area of the specimen, and delta T is the temperature difference. Temperature difference is nothing but surface temperature as well as the ambient temperature. Ts minus T infinity will give the delta T. By using that equation, here the H is only the unknown parameters here. There is nothing but the heat transfer coefficient of the specimen, that one you can find out by using that equations. And here you can expect the Viva question regarding the convective heat transfer. What is the difference between the natural convection as well as the forced convection, and the dimensionless numbers like the Grashof numbers, Nusselt numbers, and what do you mean by heat transfer coefficient. Like that you can expect the various Viva questions in this experiment. Thank you.